Good morning, boys and girls. I hope y'all are having a great day. We're going to get started on our reading. First, we're going to practice saying our sounds. Get ready. Next sound. 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 Get ready. Ah. Good job saying all these sounds. Now we're going to move on to some more sounds. First sound. Get ready. Ah. Next sound. Get ready. Next sound. Get ready. E. Next sound. Get ready. Next sound. Get ready. Last sound. Get ready. D. Great job saying all those sounds with me. Now we're going to move on to reading some words. Remember, finger starts on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. Feet. Again. Get ready. Feet. Say it fast. Feet. And here's a picture of some feet. And here's our next word. Finger on the big ball. And remember, k and t are quick sounds. So we're going to be blending those sounds quickly. Sound it out. Get ready. Cat. Again. Get ready. Cat. Say it fast. Cat. And here's a picture of a cute little cat. Next word. Finger on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. Fit. Again. Get ready. Fit. Say it fast. Fit. Here's a picture of a dog that does not fit in that box. Next word. Finger on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. Sit. Again. Get ready. Sit. Say it fast. Sit. And here's a picture of a bear who is sitting on a purple chair. Now we're going to read the sentence that's on your worksheet today. Remember, finger on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. Not. Again. Get ready. Not. Say it fast. Not. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Ah. But how do we say it? Again. Sound it out. Get ready. Ah. How do we say it? Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Rock. Again. Get ready. Rock. Say it fast. Rock. Now I'm going to read the sentence the fast way. Not a rock. Is this a rock? This is not a rock. This is a rock. Good job today, students. I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great day.